YouTube. Thank you for tuning back into the channel. First off, if it's your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, all those good stores. Try to find stuff for the low and sell it for a little bit higher on eBay. You know what I'm saying? And if you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up, you understand? I actually got a couple of things that I've sold on eBay going out. I got about 18 things going out. Some here at my house, which I'm in my basement right now, and some in my office. So I'm gonna have to, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack some here. I only got a couple things here, and then I'm gonna go over to the office and handle the rest, all right?
Yes, sir.
So first thing I got going out actually is this PlayStation. This sold for about, what, 55 plus shipping. I put the comp on the screen. Actually comes with 3 games. The PlayStation had like a bad, this works, but it's tore off the front of it, so I sold it for a little bit cheaper, and these games didn't go for that much. So 70 something included. I feel like I got a good deal. I only paid like $3 for this. I remember getting this from I think I got it from a yard sale, I believe. All right, I hope I put one joystick because I don't see another one. Next thing I got going now is this Hulk. It actually went for $18.99 plus shipping, and Josh brought this. Josh is a viewer of the channel. He said, "What's up, Tesla? It's your man, Josh. I just saw your newest video on how to pick up the Hulk. Since I'm a huge Hulk fan, I'm going to add it to the collection. Sending some love and support your way. Thanks for the content you put out." Hey, Josh, I appreciate you, man, buying this. I got this, and where'd I get this from? Habit, actually a local auction place. I got a bunch of toys. This is, I think, 2007 model, but I got a bunch of 80s and 90s toys as well, and this one actually looks pretty good, so I hope you like it, Josh. Next thing I got going out at home is a patch. Y'all know about the patches. It's sold for $14.95 plus shipping. That money just keeps coming on those patches. And that's all I got here. I only had 3 things here. Rest of them, I think I got about 15 more sales that I got to pack right at the office. So let's get over to the office and pack them up. Oh, I almost forgot to mention. Y'all remember that hat? It was a Harley Davidson. Make sure y'all can see me. It was a Harley Davidson hat that I sold for like $150. And then the guy was trying to get me to send it to a different address that was not on file on eBay, but he kept saying it's on file. I actually made like a little short video about it, but anyway, I sold the hat again.
Yes, sir.
For $150. It's going out, so I knew it would sell. Took about a month later, but it sold for the same thing. Not too mad about it. At first I was like, well, maybe I should have just sent it, put it in the mail, even though he probably would have said it was lost or something like that. I just went on and canceled the order. Long story short, it sold again. It's going out today, and I'm happy. I also sold another patch that I already packed up. These are things I'm thinking about as I'm going over here to the office. Sold another patch. I'll put it on the screen. Nice one too, $34.99. When I sell them for that, man, that's a great sale. This weekend I had a great weekend. A great weekend and a bad weekend at the same time. I went to Great Wolf Lodge, took the kids over there. They did a little indoor water parkish. I'm all scrunched up here, look.
Oh, damn it.
Hold on. Hold on. There we go. It's cold. It's cold.
It's cold as heck.
So as you can tell, we had a great time there. Everything was pretty good. A lot of social distancing, mask and all that. So everybody had a great time and was safe. But one bad thing, and I didn't know if I was going to mention this. My father had an accident. Got attacked by 3 pit bulls. And you know, I'm transparent with y'all. I tell y'all a lot, and I didn't post about 4 or 5 days, maybe almost a week, because of that, man. It was pretty bad. You know, he was running, and you know, 3 pit bulls came up behind him and got a hold to him, man. And he said he was fighting for about 10-15 minutes. Luckily, just luckily, somebody came and helped him. You know, they tried to hit the dogs with the car and stuff. And you know, I bring it up because whenever there is like a lesson to be taught, you know, I try to bring up stuff like that. And if you out and about running, you know, you always think about other people robbing you and stuff like that, but you never really think about, you know, dogs and stuff like that can hurt you, man. You know, try to protect yourself. I know when you're running, it's kind of hard to take something, you know, but if you're walking, have a stick. Heck, have a pistol if you believe in that. You know, my father, that's what he said, man. I wish I would have had a pistol, you know, but it would have ended that quick. But it wasn't one pit bull. He said he probably would have been if it did with one of them, maybe, but it was 3. And he said it was a 10 to 15 minute fight. Luckily somebody came, because he said he don't know how long he was gonna be able to fight, but it messed him up pretty bad. He's still in the hospital almost a week later, rehabbing, and had to have a bunch of surgeries on his hands and stitches, and I mean, he's gonna be out for a while. And so just be safe out there, man. You know, we got all this other stuff going on, pandemic, all kinds of other stuff with the country, but you kind of lose track of other stuff like this. You know, just be safe out there, and luckily he'll be okay. My father, he's a fighter. He's joking around. He's in good spirits. I know how he is, but just be safe out there, man. And you know, if you praying, throw a little prayer in there for my father. You know. So anyway, I don't want to bore you with that. Don't want to get everybody down. Let's get back up and let's go pack some what we packing. Let's get started. The first thing I got is a Bella Flexstone cassette tape. I only got a couple cassette tapes, so it gotta be here. Better be right here. Bow, bow. Yeah, Bella Fleck. I don't know what this is. Let's see the cuts on here. See what they got. Y'all know what this is? Mars Need Woman. Space is Lonely. I don't know. Anyway, that went for $11.19 free shipping. I got this for free, actually. I cleaned out the lady's house. She was moving. She said, come over and take what you want. That's one of the ones I took and got $11 for it. So shout out to me for getting something for free and flipping it. Straight up. Next thing I got is this Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. I hope it's here, man, because I had some at home. I couldn't find it. Hopefully it's here. It should be. It's a little game. Is that it? Wow, look at it. It fell to me. It fell to me. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. I actually had that on sale. I meant to say that too. I ran a 30% sale on stuff that was 60 days and older. And I'm just trying to move stuff out. I got a phone call. I'll call him back. I'm just trying to move stuff out. And anyway, that's sold for $11.89 plus shipping. Buys about almost $17 into it. Next thing I sold is some mini cones. Actually sold 3 of them. For those of y'all who been following me for a while, probably remember this buy. Here we go. It's right here. I got a bunch of them. I got some on $2 day, and I got some on $1 day from my local stores, the Ben store. They had a bunch of them in there. And it's getting warm. I knew when I bought them back in the winter that they wasn't gonna move fast, but I know it's getting warm. People starting to store, especially with COVID hit. You know, all sports got suspended. But hey, a lot of stuff is kind of slowly but surely getting back into it. You know, with safety precautions, of course. My sons are doing it as well. And I sold 3 of these. These went. I actually had these on sale. I need to take them off sale. My God. I think I paid $1 a piece for these. For most of them. I think I bought one just to see what it would do, and then the very next day I said, you know what, I'm gonna go get a bunch of them. They sold for $31.11. That's including shipping. I paid $3 into it and flipped it to $11. I'm probably gonna keep a couple because, you know, your boy be getting my boys together on the court. Somebody call me again. Next thing I sold is some Duralube. Y'all know about the Duralube, don't you? Pull this thing all the way out because Duralube is in the back. I got these for like super cheap, like 13 cents a piece. And they right here. I had a bunch of them. They're dwindling down. This whole box was full, packed. And I've been selling these in packs of 3. Can't even pick them all up. Can I pick them all up in one hand? Yeah, there you go. Put these on sale as well, and these sold for $23.79 or $25.22 free shipping. I'm just trying to get rid of them. 13 cents into them. These actually can go. I've been shipping them in a poly mailer, and they've been doing great. That was just something that I wanted to make sure we get, because it's in the box, but then the bottle's in the box, so they seem to do fine. As you see right here, they had them for $3.49, but they had a crazy sale, and dude gave me a deal when I got up there, and I ended up getting them all for 13 cents a piece. Next thing that sold is the Undertaker wrestling action figure. I'm going through these little figures. Everything's selling off his shelf. Let's see. Undertaker. Here you go. The Undertaker. All you wrestling fans. This sold for $20.99 plus shipping. I got this from in Tennessee. When I was in Tennessee, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, doing a little vacation. I met actually Tennessee pickup there. But I went to a yard sale and looked up on a bunch of these for like $2 and some change a piece. So next thing I sold is Hollywood Squares Nintendo game. Hollywood Squares. Look, it's already waiting for me on top right there. Hollywood Squares. This one right here I put on sale on an accident because this is not going for anything. It's sold for $7.69 free shipping. I don't know what I was thinking with that, but oh well. What is this? Next thing sold is a Minnesota Vikings toboggan. Which one was that in? G. Where's the G at? Oh, here we go. I'm tripping. The G. Minnesota Vikings. I'll leave it out because I got something else out in there I gotta get. I had this on sale as well. It only sold for $12.17 free shipping. It's a steal on that. I put that on 30%. You know, when you put your stuff on store on 30% sale, sometimes you should go through it and take stuff off if you want to, because this ain't something that I had to put on 30% because that stuff was selling, but it's all good. I only paid, I think, $2 for it, and it's going out the door. I actually sold a Cowboys one too. How about them Cowboys? Bruh. Cowboys. I believe for the same price. That one for $13.29. Free shipping. New PowerX pull-up assistance. They in C. Let me put G back up. Oh. G and these in C. Let's see what we got going on here. Well, they supposed to be in here. Where they at? Where they at? Come on now. See? Are they in D? Let me find these real quick. So after taking down every bin on the shelf, I found it. And of course it was in the last one I found. These sold for $20.29 free shipping. I'm gonna lose on, well, I'm not gonna lose, but I'm not gonna make any money really on this because this is fairly heavy. I probably can put that in a flat rate shipping and be all right. I'm not gonna lose, like it's $20.29. I can put in a flat rate for $7, so I still have $13. So I spent $2 on it, so that won't be too bad. Now this one I'm gonna have to find. It's a Interdesign York Metal B2 box. It's sold for $13.99 plus shipping. I thought it was at home. I'm gonna have to look through here and find it real quick, so let me do that. There we go. Found it. See, my problem is in the beginning I didn't label nothing, so a lot of stuff that I sell that's like that, that's been happening for a while, it could be anywhere. So I didn't have them in certain boxes, and every time I sell something like that, I'm like, oh my God, I hope I can find it, but I found it. So 2 Sony PlayStation 3 controllers, $34.99 plus shipping. That was a great sale. I believe they up here. They are. 2 PlayStation 3 controllers right here. $34.99 plus shipping. I got those for cheap. I remember, man. I got these for like $2, $1 a piece. Great sale. And last but not least, a food dehydrator. Here's another one that I've been having for a while that sold, and it's time to find it because looking down, I don't know where it is. Ha! Found it. Dehydrator stand rack. It sold for $24.49 plus shipping. 30% off that as well. So yeah, that's all I got going out today. Tip for those of y'all who's starting, all right, have some type of bin shelf, wherever you put yourself, put your stuff, have some type of system, man, because if you have a system, something that, you know, might only take you 15 minutes to do could take you an hour to do because you're looking for stuff. And having a nice place where you just know where everything is, as soon as something sells, you know exactly where to go, where to get it. It's nothing better, all right? And I'm doing that. I've been doing that maybe half my journey. So the first half of my journey, stuff is everywhere. The second half, I know where stuff is. So shout out to me for getting myself together, all right? With all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.